It was a better understanding of that pipeline. So with our own forecasting in-house, and not missing out on some of the leads that we'd had come through the system. Because it's very easy. We have a system where people come on, have a free trial on the website, and after their 14-day trial, they then, if they don't join, they kind of end up back on a marketing list at some point down the road. But using Maximizer gave us the opportunity to then pull all the data of all the companies that had a free trial in the last 6 months easily. I mean, we could get that out of our own backend system, but that was then going to the technical team and asking them to pull that data for us, which, you know, for them to do that, there's a cost involved in the technical team spending an hour doing that. Whereas Maximizer gave the sales marketing team that opportunity to go, right, we've got all that data logged because it's all connected up to our backend system. Go and pull a list of those companies that have used it in the last 6 months and do a campaign to them. And we can kind of do that without involving any technical resource.